Someone looks at you and asks, "You know English?" You understand the question, but suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. Don't worry, you're not alone, and you don't need a long or complicated answer. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to say. Hi, I'm Ellie, and welcome to Daily English. Today, we're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English with confidence. We'll practice together, and by the end of this lesson, you'll have your own simple introduction. So let's start. The first thing is very easy. Tell the person your name. My name is Ellie. I'm Ellie. You can say, "My name is Ellie," or, more naturally, "I'm Ellie." Now it's your turn. Say, "I'm," and then your name. Great. Next, tell the person where you're from. I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Canada. I'm from the United States. For example, I'm from Pakistan, or I'm from the United States. Now you try. I'm from. Excellent. Now let's talk about where you live. You can say, "I live in Karachi," or "I live in Toronto," or simply, "I live in New York." "I live in plus city." Remember, "I'm from" tells us where you're originally from. "I live in" tells us where you live now. Your turn. Say, "I live in." Now someone might ask, "What do you do?" Don't worry. They're usually asking about your job or what you do in life. I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I work in a restaurant. For example, I'm a student, or I'm an English teacher, or I work in a restaurant. Now it's your turn. What do you do? Say your answer out loud. Now, let's make your introduction more interesting. Talk about something you enjoy. I like reading. I like listening to music. I enjoy playing football. I love watching movies. You can start with "I like," "I love," or "I enjoy." For example, "I love listening to music," or "I enjoy playing football." Now tell me one thing you enjoy doing. Here's an important tip. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," you don't need to tell them your entire life story. You don't need to talk about your childhood, your favorite food, your first school, and your pet's birthday. Small laugh. Keep it simple. Give them a few interesting details. That is enough for a simple introduction. Okay, let's put everything together. Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm from the United States. I live in a small city. I'm an English teacher. I love reading and listening to music. It's nice to meet you. See? It's simple. It's natural. And you can do it too.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you too. I'm Ellie.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Oh, nice. Where do you live?
I live in a small city near Chicago.
That's nice. What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
That's interesting. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading and listening to music. That sounds great. Thanks! What about you? Did you notice something important? At the end, I asked, "What about you?" This is a very useful phrase. What about you? When someone answers your question, you can ask the same question back. For example, "I'm a student. What about you?" "I live in London. What about you?" "I love movies. What about you?" It's a simple way to keep a conversation going. Now, we're going to create your introduction. I'll give you the sentence. You give me your answer. 1. What's your name? Say, "I'm." 2. Where are you from? Say, "I'm from." 3. Where do you live? Say, "I live in." 4. What do you do? Say, I'm a 5. What do you like to do? Say, I like. Now put everything together. Don't look at your notes. Just speak. Hi, I'm blank. I'm from. I live in. I'm a cobra. I like. Ulo. It's nice to meet you. Take a moment, think about your answers. Ready? Go. Before we finish, let's fix 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Myself, John. Better. I'm John. Mistake 2. I am live in London. Better. I live in London. Mistake 3. I am student. Better. I am a student. Remember, I am a student. We need a before many job and person nouns. And here's the most important thing. You don't need perfect English to introduce yourself. You don't need big words. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need a few simple sentences and the courage to say them. Smile. Every confident English speaker started with simple sentences. And here's the most important thing. You don't need perfect English to introduce yourself. You don't need big words. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need a few simple sentences and the courage to say them. Smile. Every confident English speaker started with simple sentences. Now I have a challenge for you. Don't just watch this video. Speak. Introduce yourself out loud. Tell me your name, where you're from, where you live, what you do, and one thing you like. And if you want, write your introduction in the comments. I'll see you in the next daily English lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking. And remember, confidence comes from practice. Bye for now.